Hey! You hungry there, big guy?
I don't know.
No? Well, I'm hungry. You could say I'm very hungry. Oh, but what I truly crave is progress, change. Know what I'm really hungry for is evolution.
Embellishushan.
Yeah.
Oh. What was that?
Well, you see, when animals like us find ourselves in the presence of danger, we will experience a wide range of irrational emotions and erratic urges that lead us to act in one of two ways. We may fight, or we may flee. But what if I told you there was a third way? What if I told you that we could learn to resist these psychological and frankly pathological impulses to call upon one of the most important bioorganic functions that each and every one of us possess? Okay, so here's the plan. You are gonna eat me.
Wait, what? Doesn't make any sense.
Yes, it does. See, as soon as my body recognizes the threat, I will have no choice but to evolute, because my life... Well, that's odd. It should have worked by now.
Who said that?
Whoa! Holy shit, it worked. Okay, all right, whoa. Ow. All right. Whoa. Oh.
Hey, what was that thing you were talking about?
Okay.
Escalation? Aspiration? Epinology? Elephanation? Eskimos? I feel like I'm close.